Oh, Hello Anna, hello Nashbi. Tell me a name. I write a brief line to you, Anna. To offer you a gentle flow. If you could answer me with a word, just a smile, a soft echo. I'm not pressing on your heart, only giving it time for a word to be born. I'm just passing by on TikTok, and you are a discovery. Flower, dang to utter a word, even light as a feather. No, no, hello, 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 or a good evening that will make my fate dance. I will know it as a melody, and your voice will be my divine refrain. Hello, na 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 na. No, don't. Just a sliver of wind carrying your voice. And if you don't ride, I remain true to my ego and my faith. It seems like a cloud of moonlight caressing my soul. Hello, Anna, a little smile for me, a tiny kiss for me, so the cosmos can vibe.